how to export a Blender object into Unity. So you're going to want to go into Viewport Render. I'm using Eevee. You're going to select your object, go up to File, Export, Export as FBX. You're going to want to find your Unity project. I named mine Tutorial Project. Open it, open Assets, and inside of Assets, this is where we're going to put the object. You're going to want to turn Path Mode to Copy. You're going to only want to include selected objects, so press that box, just so it won't import your light and camera and everything else here, just your selected object right here. You're going to want to leave everything else as it is. You can see what mine is set to, so you can compare, just in case. Press Export FBX, and then you're going to want to go into your Unity file, go into Assets, and your file should be there. You can drag in, and it'll be there. As you can see here, my color is off. This might happen with yours. If that's the case, then just follow what I'm about to do. Go to the material right here, press the main map, click it in your assets folder, go over here, turn filter mode to point, no filter, and then compression to none. Apply, and your color should be the same. Thanks for watching.